Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you download apps on your iPhone without a payment method. So guys, if you want to download apps without payment method, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and from here scroll it below and tap on general, and from here scroll it below, and from here tap on language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly from here, then go back, and after this you have to open your profile, and now you have to scroll it below and tap on media and purchases, tap on view account and wait here for some seconds. So guys, enter your password and tap on sign in button, and from here you have to tap on country or region and wait again for some seconds. And now tap on change country or region, select your country, here I am selecting United States, and from here tap on agree, and from here you can see this, you can give here your payment method, and if you don't have any payment method then tap on none button from here. So guys, here you can see this, and after this you have to give here your billing name, and here you have to give here your billing address as well. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply give here all this information without a payment method, and after this save this information in your iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this you will be able to download apps from App Store without your payment method. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.